from 2 a.m. calls. Zero communication. Yeah, we spent too long in heaven. Yeah, we felt the elevation. Feels kinda different and we're not the same. Cause anything's have to change. I got no trouble with my pride. Got trouble cutting tight.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Janey. If you are new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on all social media. So today I will be reviewing the new GoPro Hero 9. Shout out to my girl Chloe. You guys go follow her at Brands at Chloe on YouTube. She got the Hero 8 and she got it for her Costa Rica trip, and I was literally about to buy the same one because I'm in Puerto Rico at the moment, hence the hotel room. If you've never watched my video, you don't know how my normal backdrop looks. I'm in the hotel room. So she did a review on the Hero 8, but then when I went on to GoPro.com, they had the Hero 9 for, let me tell you exactly the price, $350 for the Hero 9, and it also comes with a dual charger, meaning basically a charger port that has 2 batteries. So greatness. And it also comes with a 1-year subscription to GoPro. But I ended up getting like the camera, the battery pack, I got protective housing, I got the sleeve with the little stick, and then I got the body holster. So I kind of went crazy on like accessories for this video. Like, not even for this video, because I'm in Puerto Rico and I'm gonna go like to the waterfalls and I want to go snorkeling or scuba diving. The GoPro says it's good for like basically shallow waters, so I honestly didn't need the housing for that. But I mean, why not? Like, why not get it? Because if I end up going scuba diving, the GoPro can't go all the way underwater like that deep. Like, it's, well, they don't recommend you going that deep with it. So I made sure I got the protective housing, which is supposed to add, I can't even remember how much more feet to it. But let me open everything so I can give you guys numbers, details, and all that good stuff. So when you open the box, this is how it looks. There's the camera, a cord, an extra battery pack right here, the charging cord. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure what this is. And a screwdriver. So it comes like this. I'm gonna take off the little tape that's on it. This is so tiny. Like, it is so, it's so small. I feel like I'll break this so easily. I'm gonna keep on like all of the little stickers to cover the lenses. This is the back of it where you'll basically be viewing what it has. So you open it from the bottom. So you pull up that little part, you open it out, and then you'll add the battery to right here. And then the SIM card. Oh my gosh, I think I left the memory card home. Did I? No. Brief intermission. I have to go get the memory card. And it comes with a 32 gig, but for $13 extra you can upgrade it to a 64 gigabyte. So that's what I did. Let me go get it. So I got the memory card that it comes with. You peel off the back. Boom, 64 gigs. So then you put it into this little, you put it into the slot right here. Like, when it turns on, it looks like this. The front of it has the Black 9. So I have to basically set it up now. So it says it's searching for the camera. So while it does that, let's go through some of the other accessories that I got. So the next thing I'll open will just be the dual charger. When you open out the box, it'll come like this. This is where you'll put both batteries, because that says it's a dual charger. There's one battery already in the GoPro, and this is the extra one, the instruction manual, and then the charger. And I really hate that they don't give you adapters with all of these. Like, you guys just want me to continually use this. Why? Like, I don't understand. So these 3 little items are what come in the dual battery charger. Next is going to be the sleeve and garland, which is basically just like a regular case for it, because I don't know, it was white and cute, and I can't remember how much this cost. I think it was like $20 added on, because once you have the GoPro membership, you get $40, you get 50% off most items. So I think this was like an extra 20 bucks, and I was like, okay, at least I can wear the GoPro around my neck and give it like a cute little sleeve. So I got the color white, because there's white, black, and I think there was a blue or green, I can't remember, but this is all it is. Like this is all it is. It's just really cute to me. Like, I don't know, I just felt like it would just be cute. So put my little GoPro in. Oop, I'm not trying to take off the stickers. It's kind of a tight squeeze. Well, that makes sense, so the case doesn't just fall off. But yep, here we are. This is the very cute little sleeve and the lanyard. Yeah, lanyard, that's what it's called, a lanyard, right? So brief pause. So when it finds it, it's gonna ask you if you want to pair with it. And then it gets paired, but this battery is only 17%, so I definitely need to charge this. All right, so then they're gonna ask you basically to set up your GoPro. So I'm gonna set it up myself, give it a name, all that good stuff, but that's basically how you set it up. Next, we have the protective housing. So I decided to actually take it back out of its casing just so it would be easier for me to put it into this housing. It comes with another screw, just like the GoPro does. So let me make sure I separate these. So it comes with a screw. It comes with whatever this is supposed to be. I'm gonna read the manuals. I think this is just something to put it on, because the bottom of it has these like little tiny hooks. So yeah, oh, it is. So you can set it up. You stick, and then you would stick the screw into it basically to keep it stable. That makes so much more sense now, because I was very confused. Very confused. Very confused. So let's open out the rest of this box. Take it apart. Comes with the instruction manual, the front case. It's the skeleton back door. Basically, the back of it will be able to flip open. Ooh, this just looks so sleek and cute. I like this. So it's clear. All of this, it'll just keep the GoPro safe while you're in water and stuff like that. So to open it, there's this button at the top. You pop the button to the side. Once you open this, you pop the back out. You put your little GoPro in. And then you can either use the back door, which means you can like open and close it, or you can use the secure one, where once you put it in, you close it, you do this again, snap it shut, and boom, you are safe to use whenever underwater. So I'm actually really excited for this. I'm gonna take off like the plastics and stuff for it, because it's making it kind of blurry in terms of the video, but cannot wait to use this today. I'm definitely just gonna go on the water just because, like. So now we're on to our last item, which is the body holster. Well, it's called a chesty, but I call it a body holster. So you open the chesty, comes out in the same white box like almost everything has so far. comes with another screw and holder. And then this is how the chest panel looks. Just throw this out. So let me unravel it. Okay. It's very stretchy. So that's good. That is good. I hope it has clasps and I don't have to like put it over my head type stuff. That's gonna be annoying to always have to put it over my head. And it looks like I'm gonna have to put it over my head because there's no openings for anything. Great! Great. Why wouldn't you just come with the strap? The struggle. So, did the box come with some instructions? Nope. The front of the box just tells you to, oh, okay, I understand. You're basically gonna stick this part onto your chesty. You stick this part on. Was it this way or this way? So yeah, oh, you're gonna stick it on. Trying to figure out which way is the best way for it to go. As you guys can see, this video is a struggle. Like, they make these things, wow, oh Lord. Okay. Don't know how that works. Okay, so maybe I'm not supposed to do this. This is the one that needed instructions, because the rest did not give me any instructions at all. None whatsoever. Like none.
5 minutes later.
Oh wow. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm such an idiot. I'm here saying that you're gonna have to take it off. There was a whole buckle. You could take it off, guys. Disregard what was said earlier. Okay, so you can take it off and just put it on you. Because I was like, that would be so stupid if I have to pull it over my head every single time I need it. Like, that's dumb. Really dumb. So, now that we know that that can happen, back to the issue at hand of how the hell we're supposed to strap this on. Because what is going on? Like, the picture just says that it's gonna be slid on. This is all they gave me. This is all. Y'all remember all the other booklets they were giving? They didn't give that for this one, and I really feel like this was the one that I needed help with. Like the other ones, why do I need help with how to put on a sleeve? You just put it on.
Much later.
Is there like a way to like pull this part up? Okay, maybe if I do that. Okay. I wish I could adjust the camera a different way, but I can't, because if I adjust it, then you guys won't see the table. But let me bend down for this. So this is what you do. You lift up this flap right here and you squeeze this part in like this and you stick it in. So I'm squeezing said flap, pushing it in, and then you pop it back down. Ugh, this pop down needs to go smoothly. I've had a hard enough time. Boom, it's popped in. You pop that back down. Now you put your GoPro in whichever way you want it to be. Which way are we gonna hold it? Yeah. Boom. We get our little screw piece. And look at the sides. We get our little screw piece. Screw, 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 just to keep it stable in. Boom, and this is how it would be attached to it. Now I'm gonna put it over my body now that we know that I can just pop it off with my dumb self. Let me stand up so you guys can see. Oh, let me stand up so you guys can see how it looks when it's like on. Yeah, this is how it fits. The back of it is just X. Ah, just pulled out my earring, but that's how the back of it is. But I love this. I love the way it looks. I love the feels. I'm gonna tighten it a bit more so it feels secure. And whoop, we love it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to the end of the video so that you can see how it works underneath water, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
There goes General in the water. What? Seaweed. That just looks like seaweed. But let's go, guys. Let's see what happens when y'all go into the water. Oh, this water rough. This shit rough. Yeah, it is. It is very, very warm. Woo, shit.
So as you guys can tell from here, like, the water is extremely rough, and I think that kind of edited in like the quality that the camera could give to us while being underwater here, because it was about to rain. Like, water was really rough, it was extra salty and sandy. It was not giving clear blue waters of the Caribbean like I was expecting. But the further on in the video you go, you will see different angles of the camera in different types of water. One is where we were jumping off of a rock at El Yunque, and the other one was at this other beach that had literal crystal clear water. So you'll see that further on. But from here, this is just the first time me testing it out underwater.
Oh, really? I don't feel like it. Go under the water, so I'm gonna video you while you're under the water. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, this is amazing.
So right here is where we're about to swing from this rope and hit down into the water. But right before this, if you look at the far end of the camera, you see a little waterfall. Try going down this waterfall with the GoPro, and it's not very durable for like high pressure situations. So I'm guessing the waterfall pressure was just too much for it, because it started kind of glitching afterwards, which was extremely annoying. So just take that into consideration. Maybe I should have kept on my protective housing for it, but either way, it just cannot endure any high pressure water situations. Honestly, I'm surprised that it didn't start glitching and like malfunctioning with me jumping into this body of water, because as I said, the waterfall did not work out. So if I had to give this camera a rating, I would give it about a 7 out of 10. Honestly, if you're not going to be doing a lot of adventurous stuff, like let's say ATV riding, scuba diving, stuff where you don't really feel safe bringing your regular camera, I would not recommend you get this camera. It's really just because I'm a really outdoorsy person. I like hiking, I like underwater activities, stuff like that. That's the only reason I got it. But yeah, I give it a 7 out of 10.